Money flows in and out of our lives every day, but have you ever stopped to ask, are you building wealth or just watching your money disappear? Some people earn a lot but remain broke, while others with modest incomes steadily grow rich. The secret? Understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Today we'll break it all down in simple terms so you can make smarter financial choices starting right now. What are assets and liabilities? Let's get straight to the point. What's the real difference between an asset and a liability? An asset puts money into your pocket, and liability takes money out of your pocket. Sounds simple, right? But many people confuse the two, which can lead to poor financial decisions. Let's break it down further with examples. Assets, your money makers. Assets are things that help you build wealth over time. They either generate income or increase in value, making you financially stronger. The more assets you have, the more financial freedom you gain. But what exactly qualifies as an asset? Number 1, real estate. If you buy a house and rent it out, it generates monthly income. Over time, property values can also increase, making it a great long-term investment. However, the key is to buy property that earns you money rather than drains it. Number 2, stocks and investments. Investing in stocks allows your money to grow. Some stocks pay dividends, which means you get a portion of the company's profits just for holding on to them. Number 3, a business. A business that generates consistent profit is a strong asset. Whether it's a physical store, an online shop, or a service-based company, if it makes more money than it costs to run, it's an asset. Number 4, intellectual property. This includes things like books, music, patents, and even YouTube channels. If your content continues to generate income over time, it acts as a passive asset. Liabilities, your money drainers. Liabilities take money out of your pocket. Unlike assets, which generate income, liabilities come with ongoing expenses. Many people unknowingly accumulate liabilities, thinking they're making smart financial choices. Let's go over some common examples. Number 1, a car. A car loses value the moment you drive it off the lot. Even if it's brand new, it requires gas, insurance, and maintenance, ongoing expenses that take money out of your pocket. Unless you're using it to make money, like driving for Uber or deliveries, a car is a liability. Number 2, a mortgage on a home you live in. Owning a home feels like an investment, but if you're making monthly payments and not earning income from it, it's a liability. Property taxes, maintenance, and mortgage interest all add up. Number 3, credit card debt. Buying things on credit can feel convenient, but high interest rates mean you end up paying way more than the original price. This is one of the worst types of liabilities because it grows over time. Number 4, luxury purchases. Expensive clothes, the latest smartphone, and designer accessories may look nice, but they don't generate income. Once you buy them, their value drops, and you get no return on your money. Are you investing or just spending? Many people think they're investing when they're actually just spending. A new car, a bigger house, or the latest gadgets might feel like smart purchases, but if they don't generate income, they are liabilities. A car, for example, loses value over time and requires maintenance, gas, and insurance, taking more money from you than it ever gives back. On the other hand, a rental property or a stock that pays dividends provides long-term financial benefits. The key is understanding whether something will increase your wealth or drain it. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, will this put money into my pocket in the future? If the answer is no, it's likely a liability. The smartest financial decisions come from shifting your focus from acquiring things that look valuable to owning assets that actually make you wealthier over time. How to start investing in assets today. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. The first step is understanding where your money is going. Track your expenses and separate them into assets and liabilities. Then start small by redirecting money from unnecessary spending, like expensive coffee or unused subscriptions, toward investments. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. Investing in low-cost index funds, dividend stocks, or even a small side hustle can be a great start. Consider real estate options like renting out a room or investing in fractional property shares. Look for ways to generate passive income, whether through content creation, digital products, or businesses. The key is consistency. Even small investments done regularly can grow significantly over time. The more assets you own, the stronger your financial foundation will be. Building wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about how wisely you use what you have. You don't need to be rich to start. A common myth is that investing is only for the wealthy, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Even with a small income, you can begin building wealth. Many apps allow you to invest as little as $5, and micro-investing platforms make it easy to own fractional shares of stocks. Starting a side hustle, whether it's freelancing, selling products online, or monetizing your skills, can create additional streams of income. Instead of spending on luxury items or the latest gadgets, focus on acquiring things that generate income, like a used car for ride-sharing or equipment for a small business. You can also cut back on unnecessary expenses and redirect that money toward investments. The secret to wealth isn't having a high income. It's consistently making smart financial choices. Even small steps today can lead to massive financial growth over time. The power of compound growth. One of the most powerful tools for building wealth is compound growth, the ability of money to grow over time when reinvested. The earlier you start, the bigger your results. Let's say you invest $100 a month in an account that earns an 8% annual return. In 10 years, you'll have around $18,000. But if you keep investing for 30 years, that amount grows to over $150,000, all from just $100 a month. This happens because as your investment earns returns, those returns get reinvested and start generating even more growth. The longer your money stays invested, the more powerful compounding becomes. This is why delaying investments can cost you thousands, if not millions, in the long run. Time is your greatest advantage. Even if you start small, just start. The sooner you let compound growth work for you, the more financial freedom you'll have in the future. Common mistakes to avoid. Building wealth is not just about what you do, it's also about what you avoid. A major mistake is buying liabilities, thinking they're assets. For example, buying a new car may seem like an investment, but in reality, it depreciates in value and costs money to maintain. Another common mistake is not having an emergency fund before investing, which can force you to sell investments at a loss during financial crises. Many people also fall for get-rich-quick schemes or invest based on trends without understanding the risks. Another dangerous habit is spending everything you earn instead of saving and investing. The key to financial success is discipline. Prioritize assets over liabilities, invest with a long-term mindset, and never put all your money into one type of investment. Avoiding these common pitfalls will help you stay on track toward building lasting wealth and financial security. By now, you should have a clear idea of the difference between assets and liabilities. Every financial decision you make either moves you closer to wealth or further away from it. So, what's your next move? Will you invest in assets and grow your wealth? Or will you keep spending on things that drain your bank account? The choice is yours. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.